Direct cost, hospital costs, drugs, medical examinations and the tests are estimated at 29.5 billion and indirect ones. Sick leave, work disability, early the direct cost of respiratory diseases represent 6% of the total health budget, with COP representing 56%, 38.6 billion euros of that percentage. In Spain, the estimated cost of COP according to the Ministry of Health consumption is 752,000 millions per year, and expected the patient who incur a higher cost for those with more severe diseases and with frequent obesity. In developed countries, the direct costs are less important than the impact of cost on household and job productivity. Because the health sector cannot provide long-term care for persons with severe disabilities, this disease can force people to leave their workplace in order to receive the necessary care or to provide care from affected relatives at home. Because human capital is a nation asset for the developed countries, indirect cost caused by COPT threaten their economics. The author of the Global Burden of Disease study designed a method to estimate the fraction of molarity and the disability caused by a major disease or injury. The measure is known as disability adjusted life yearly. Delay for a specific condition in the sum of the years lost due to the premature molarity and the year of the life lived with disability, adjusted by the severity of the disability. In 1990, COPD was the highest cause of delays worldwide, and it is believed that by 2030 it will be the seventh cause. COPD is not a curable disease, but with existing treatments, the establishment of a set of strategies involving primary care physicians, pneumologists, and the nurses, with the development of objectives and realistic recommendations based on available resources, it is feasible to improve the quality of the inventions and the outcomes of COPT.